Oh.
Was ist das denn?
Today's video is going to be about how to build a woodshed in the woods. I'm currently in our small forest, and for everyone who's new here, I'm Esther. My life goal basically is to renovate a house, but until I can afford it to buy one and renovate one, I will document my life, learn how to film, how to edit, how to build. So follow along how I will build a woodshed. So here we have this old building block. Under here is all the wood for the woodshed. What is this? Ew, it's sticky. Maybe it's like this glue, internal Harz, I think it's called in German. Comment if you know what this is. I always trip over these, but the next time, this is like, I don't know, metal. But next time I will bring the right tools, and then hopefully I can just cut through it and then it falls into this cellar. Is this all we need? Like for this whole shed? That looks weird. Sit down and read the instructions. Always read it first. Here's also a list of all the tools we will need. My brother and sister quality time. Boys are working. It's game day. We are ready, so we will see how much we get done. We are currently planning where to put the shed. Here. So we will probably put it like here. But first things first we have to make a clean workspace, and I'm gonna cut off these steel things. And for that I have this. No idea what the English name is, but I will probably put it now in the screen. So I'm using this. First time using and I already broke. But I guess practice will do the trick at some point.
Mit dem Schlüssel aufmachen.
Now we are sorting what type we actually have, because this shed is not really high quality and it was already built up, and yeah, so we're trying to figure out where everything goes. This takes longer than we thought, but we are getting there, that we have a fundament. So now we did the base and we screwed them together, and now we turn it around. Ah! Oh.
Was ist das denn?
Okay, this was a bit of a fail. We took 2 short screws, so now we have to get the longer ones. Whoopsie! Second try. Ta-da! Now we want to see if there's a 90 degrees angle, so we are just using this kind of rope, and we will measure it if the diagonals are the right length. Yeah, perfect. As if we would know what we are doing. I don't want to jinx it, but it's working just fine now. I get to carry the small ones. Now we are gonna make the roof waterproof with these roof toppings, however you call them. Let me know in the comments how you call these, but they will now go on top. In order for this shed to not blow away, we will now put these angles in the ground, and we will drill through this roof or through this cement, and then we will just fix it, and hopefully it this will keep the shed from blowing away. Progress. As this is quite a cheap model of a shed, we decided, or Thomas decided, to put some more wood against the walls for more stabilization. So I just drilled a hole through both sides and put in screws. We just realized that when it's raining, because it's raining right now, that actually water is coming inside from the sides, because this is just lower than like on the other side. So we will have to make some kind of floor. We are almost done. So if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. See ya!